An eye-opening video imagines what the Kardashian family would look like if they hadn't have had any rumored plastic surgery or cosmetic procedures. Miami-based digital artist Mitchell Wiggs used a recent promotional image of Kim, Kourtney, and Khloe Kardashian and their half-sisters, Kendall and Kylie Jenner, along with their mother Kris. Using past images of all 6 women taken over the years, Wiggs went about reversing their red carpet-ready looks. As he moves his cursor over each of the reality TV stars, their facial features become less defined and their lips become smaller, to a point where they are almost unrecognizable. In an overlaid caption, Wiggs explains that his motive was to give the Kardashians their old faces back. Dr. Douglas Steinbreck, a plastic surgeon in New York City who has not treated the Kardashians or Jenners, told Daily Mail, that he believes they have all had extensive treatments. He thinks the oldest sister, 45-year-old Kourtney, has had nasal tip rhinoplasty, which focuses on reshaping the tip of the nose and jawline sculpting. He also says he notices filler used both in the cheekbone area and in the upper lip. While the second eldest sister Kim, aged 44, has strenuously denied ever having surgery on her face, other than some Botox, Dr. Steinbreck believes that she has experimented with filler under the eyes for a smoother complexion and in the jaw for a more defined look. Meanwhile, he thinks she could have had buccal fat removal, as her face has narrowed over time. The procedure cuts out fat pads from the inside of a person's cheek, giving them a more angular face as a result. And to open her eyes more, Dr. Steinbreck says he thinks Kim has opted for a brow lift. The type of procedure is designed to treat frown lines between the brows, and it usually elevates the height of the eyebrows. Khloe, who is 40 and the third eldest sister, also looks remarkably different in Wiggs' before and after shots. Dr. Steinbreck told this website, "Looking at the images, I believe she has definitely had lip filler, had a possible chin implant, and fillers around the mouth to smooth out wrinkles. It also appears she could have had a alar base reduction, which is a type of cosmetic surgery that narrows the nostrils and improves their shape." In 2021, Khloe confessed to undergoing a nose job after years of speculation from fans about her ever-changing appearance. A year later, she even took to Instagram to thank her plastic surgeon, Dr. Raj Kanodia, for her perfect nose. Her plastic surgeon calls himself the king of closed scarless rhinoplasty and is based in Beverly Hills, conveniently close for the Kardashian family who all live nearby. At the time, Khloe opened up about the procedure, saying she always wanted to get a nose job, and finally got the courage to do so. Speaking to Robin Roberts during an ABC special on the Kardashians, she said, "My whole life I would say, I've always wanted my nose done, forever." She added, "But it's in the middle of your face and it's scary to think about. But I finally got the courage, and I did it, and I love it." The mother of 2 also admitted that she has done injections and a little Botox, but not much since she claims to respond horribly to it. Kendall Jenner, 29, has denied going under the knife. Responding to speculation in 2017 that she'd undergone cosmetic work, she said, "As a model, why would I have my face reconstructed? It doesn't even make sense. It's crazy because sometimes I feel like people just want me to lose." But Dr. Steinbreck says her looks have markedly changed over, and he puts this down to a number of cosmetic procedures. He explains, "From what I see, it looks like she has had similar things done to her half-sister Kim with lip filler, possible buccal fat removal and a brow lift. I also believe she has undergone a procedure to make her nasal bridge and the tip of her nose narrower." When it comes to the youngest sister in the family, 27-year-old Kylie, Dr. Steinbreck says her more contoured look appears to be the result of dermal fillers used in the cheekbone areas, the lips and the chin. He adds, "From what I see, her nose looks very different in the past to today, so I suspect she has had rhinoplasty, with the bridge of her nose narrowed." Kylie has denied getting plastic surgery, but in keeping up with the Kardashians she admitted to getting fillers in her face. Turning his attention to mom Kris, Dr. Steinbreck says she looks great for 79. He puts her youthful visage down to a brow lift, fillers in the lips to maintain their plumpness, cheekbone filler to give a more youthful appearance, and facelift for a tighter yet natural look. New York-based cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Michelle Green told DailyMail.com that Kris has been the most transparent of all the family members about her cosmetic procedures. Dr. Green explained, "Kris has openly shared that she has undergone both non-invasive treatments, such as Botox, dermal fillers, and laser treatments, as well as invasive procedures, including breast augmentation, a facelift, and a neck lift." The cosmetic surgeon says to achieve the airbrushed look when it comes to skin texture, she suspects all of the Kardashian and Jenner ladies have opted for other minimally invasive treatments, such as thermage, a radiofrequency skin tightening procedure, or radiofrequency microneedling, both of which boost collagen production and tighten the skin. A spokesperson for the Kardashians and Jenners said they believe wigs images are not a true representation of the stars.